Good morning, friends. Today I am talking about my project we have done in Lovely Professional University. Just this project is name has shown me air cooler cum room heater. Let me explain the project overall. At first, I would like to share these constructional features and parts and specifications. As far as my concern, first of all, this is AC reversible motor. It has an specialty which can rotate both direction, clockwise as well as anti-clockwise, without any effect, season by season. And then after, I have a submerged water pump. This capacity is 1100 liter per hour and power consumed 18 watt. This pump is submerged inside the sump, which suck the brine solution from here and circulate over this tube. This tube is named as copper tube, and here I have it as a heating tube for winter season. This is cooling system, and this is overall switch system and heating system. Heating system, we have basically two tubes here, two heating tubes which consumes 350 watt electricity. Working. First of all, I would like to explain the working for summer season. I have brine solution. We are maintaining brine solution at 10 degrees centigrade in summer and place inside the sump. I just switch on the pump. Pump suck these brine solutions and circulate this tube, copper tube, and then discharge in sump. Brine solution, when circulating inside the tube temperature will be 10 degrees centigrade, and atmospheric air is 30 degrees centigrade in summer season. When motor rotate clockwise direction, it extracts air from atmosphere, and the first fan 1 and fan 2, first fan push the air towards the room, or second fan suck the air from the atmosphere and force the air towards the first fan. And when 30 degrees centigrade air strikes over the copper tube, it gets cooled. And this can cool the room about this can cool room about 10 by 8 feet easily with human comfort. As you know, human comfort humidity should be in summer season 56 to 60%, and temperature should be 20 to 21 degrees Celsius. I would like to one thing share that women have comfort feel in 0.5 times of men. Then heating system. In winter season, we have cold air inside the atmosphere about 10 to 13 degrees centigrade. And when this fan or this motor rotates anti-clockwise direction, the first fan suck the air from atmosphere, and second fan force the air towards the room. And here heating tube temperature will be 70 degrees centigrade when 10 degree or 15 degree centigrade temperature strikes with tube, a 70 degree Celsius tube. Then here heat will exchange and air will get hot, and you can enjoy with comfort. This is basically this switching system is used to control. You can your choice is you can change varying temperature. Overall, that's it. This is the
stand.
This is the stand which can stand. There is no any vibration there. So thank you very much.
Thank you, cameraman also.